guess they just stopped here for a bit on their way to wherever they're going. There's still a few left at the very top of the tree, but most of them seem to be leaving. They make the funniest noise.